Hello everybody, in today's video I'll be showing you how to find your word counts or your word counts on your document of Microsoft Office Word. So the first step to do is to open your Microsoft Office Word document that contain your text. After that, all you have to do is to go down here in this menu or this tab, the blue one here, and go to the all left, and here you will find your word count. If you click on it, here the statistics of your document will be shown here. As you can see, this is the count of the pages of your document, and the second you will find your words count. Of course, here you can find the characters with the spaces and no spaces counting, also paragraphs and lines. The second method to do is to go here in the ribbon here tab here and click on review. Here you will find too many sections. We want the proven section, and here you will click on the word count icon. After clicking on it, it will pop up the word count statistics as previous. Of course, it is the same statistics. You can find the page and word and everything that's concerning your text counting. So we close it now. Also, don't forget there is the option so it can include the text box and footnotes in the counting. So make sure to check it or not. Depends on your wanting. After that, you just close. So now I show you, or I showed you how to find your word counts on your documents. Thank you for watching and goodbye.